Hey, future engineers and curious minds. Have you ever wondered, why do engineers need math so much? If math makes you nervous, don't worry. This video is for you. Today we're diving into something super cool, engineering mathematics. Let's break it down in the easiest way possible, like we're explaining it to your little cousin in 5th grade. What is engineering math? Let's start with a simple definition. Engineering mathematics is the use of math to solve real-world problems in science and technology. That's it. It's just math with a purpose. While school math teaches you how to solve problems, engineering math teaches you why those problems matter. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving mysteries, you solve things like, how strong should a bridge be? How fast can a robot move? How much electricity does a city need? Why is it so important? Famous engineer Nikola Tesla once said, "The scientists of today think deeply instead of clearly. One must be sane to think clearly, but one can think deeply and be quite insane." In short, to think clearly, you need math. Engineering math helps build airplanes, satellites, hospitals, and even your smartphone. It helps engineers plan, test, design, and predict what will happen. It's like the secret sauce in every invention. Examples made simple. Let's break it down with fun examples. Want to build a slide in a playground? You'll use geometry. Want to make a robot dance? You'll use algebra. Want to predict weather using satellites? You'll need calculus. Want to send signals across the world? You'll use differential equations. Sound scary? Don't worry, we'll explain all these step by step in future videos. What will you learn in this series? In this engineering math playlist, we'll explore linear algebra, used in computer graphics. Calculus helps with speed, motion, and space rockets. Probability and statistics, used in AI and weather prediction. Differential equations helps machines respond to change. And much more. And we'll explain every concept with real-life examples, simple visuals, fun challenges. Whether you're preparing for engineering school or just curious, this is your math passport to the future. So what is engineering mathematics? It's the language engineers use to talk to machines, to solve problems, and to build the future. It's not about being perfect at math, it's about understanding how powerful math can be. So don't just memorize formulas, learn how to think like an engineer. Comment below, which part of engineering math scares or excites you the most? Like this video if we made math a little less scary. Subscribe and don't miss the next one. What is engineering mechanics? Explained like you're 10. Let's make math make sense, one video at a time.